I'm going to show you how you can easily make Google Forms and generate QR codes. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and click on the Apps icon in the top left corner. Now click on Docs. Next, click on the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Here, click on Forms. Now click on Blank Form to create a new one. You can also choose a template if you prefer. For example, I will select Contact Information. Next, enter the form title and add the required fields. Once done, click on Publish. Now click on Publish again to confirm. Then, click on the link icon. Check the box for shortened URL and click on Copy to copy the link. Now, open a new tab and go to canva.com. Click on Create a Design in the top left corner. Now click on Custom Size. Enter 1080 for the width, then select Instagram Post. Next, click on Apps from the left side panel. Search for the QR code generator and click on it. Now, click on any QR code option that appears. Paste the Google Form URL into the box. Then, click on Generate Code. Adjust the size and position of the QR code as needed. Now, click on Share in the top right corner. Then, click on Download. Finally, click on Download again to save your QR code. And that's it. Your Google Form QR code is now created and ready to use.